Yo guys, what is up and welcome back to another episode of the Best Missile in Town, a series where I go to the best missile places around Mumbai to show you if they are worth it or not.
Okay, so now we have ordered the missile and it has arrived and it is a normal plate. The serving is being given separately in a bowl of missile and the paws have been given differently. But on the first looks, they have advertised it as a Puneri missile, which it seems. So it is bright red in color, very oily. The amount of farsan seems nice, although there is a lack of onions. But I guess we can get them if we ask. And there has been coriander sprinkled on top along with some farsan as well, so it looks really promising on the first sight. And it's about time that we try it, and then I'll let you know how it actually is. So yeah, let's just try it. Now I'm taking the first bite of it. The paws are very soft, fresh, nice. And first bite, which I hope does not fall on the mic, but first impressions, it's spicy, not overly spicy, ठसका नहीं येणार है, but it tastes good on the first bite. Usually at other places when you try it out, the first bite is basically oil, so it doesn't taste of anything but spiciness, only the oil. But this actually has taste. It is salty, it is savory, umami flavor, if you might allow me. But on the first impression of eating it, it is good. And I'll just finish it and I'll get back to you with the complete review of the missile. So here is my friend trying it out, Mr. Nishad, untoldpapers.com, link in the description.
Yeah, $10. No, ठीक है.
How is the missile? How is the missile, mate? How is the missile?
It's great. Not overly spicy. Actual flavor in it, not like other mamledar. Yeah, very good. Loving the experience.
Loving the experience.
Okay, so now we are done eating the missile. Me and my DOP both liked it very well, and I would actually place this missile in the top 2 of I've eaten in this series, in this season. But yeah, as an overall experience, I will tell you the taste was phenomenal. It very good compared to other missiles that you can get, and for the price as well, it cost only 50 rupees. Although if you check it on Zomato, it will show 65. Don't fall for that scam. Come here and try it. It's fresh. Although you have to remember that this is open only in the morning from 5 till 12 p.m. So if you are late than that, you will not get it because the shop will be closed. Other than that, there is no sitting arrangements as such. You have to stand and eat it. Plus the location as well, it is a very hectic location located in the middle of Thane in Majhiwada, which is a very crowded area. So a peace of mind is not something you should expect to find for yourself when you come here. Although the taste for it will probably make up for it. And other factors, like it is pretty considerably far away from the railway station though, although it is just beside the highway, so that would I would consider a factor in that. But considering all this, everything, its vicinity, the taste, service was not really much, and the ambience is the blue sky, so you can't expect much there either. This, although I consider all the factors, this I have to consider just based on the taste, because the ambience and everything is not present at all to judge it. So on the taste itself, I would definitely give it a 4.7 or 4.8 out of 5. I do not give perfection to any scores, but if I could give, this missile place would be the most likely to get it. But a 4.8 or 4.9 out of 5 for the taste of the missile seems very appropriate to me. And when you take its location into account and everything like that, I think the rating drops a little bit as well, but not below 4 in any chance. This is a must-try place for you if you are a fan of missile. It is definitely worth it, and I can promise you'll enjoy your time. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the videos, guys. I hope you like this place out. Comment down below which place you want me to try next. and like and subscribe to the channel. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, peace.